बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है आदित्य श्रीवास्तव के हवाले से। आदित्य श्रीवास्तव इज़ एन इंडियन एक्टर हु वर्क्स इन हिंदी फिल्म्स, टेलीविजन एंड थिएटर. ही इज़ बेस्ट known for his role as Senior Inspector Abhijit in India's longest running television police procedural CID. He has also portrayed pivotal roles in the Bollywood film Satya, Gulal, Laksha, Punch, Black Friday, Kalu, Super 30 and Dil Se Pooch Kidhar Jana Hai. Occupation: actor, voice over artist and television producer. Years active 1992 to present, known for Senior Inspector Abhijit in the TV series CID, Badshah Khan in Black Friday. Notable work: CID, Black Friday, Gulal, Super 30. Spouse: Mansi Srivastav. Children: 2. Personal life: Aditya is married to Mansi Srivastav. They have 2 daughters. Career: while pursuing graduation from Allahabad University, Aditya Srivastav did theatre plays at Sangeet Samiti, Civil Lines, Allahabad to hone his skills and pursue a career in acting. He moved to Delhi in 1989 and was involved in mostly theatre work at Sri Ram Center of Performing Arts, spotted by Shekhar Kapoor. He got his first break in the movie Bandit Queen, where he played Putililal. After this, he moved to Bombay in 1995. He did many voice covers for promos and advertisements. He also played pivotal episodic roles in Bimo, Kesh Bakshi, Rishte and Ahat, Naya Daur, Nau Mala Bhar Hill, and Ye Shadi Nahi Ho Sakti had him in a full-fledged and prominent roles. He took a break from television in 1997 to do films. He was later offered CID in 1999 after BP Singh noticed him in Satya for playing a cop after Ashutosh Govarikar left to pursue direction. He had already played a criminal Parish in the CID episode The Case of the Stolen Gun. By then, initially reluctant, he signed up for just 26 episodes, which were later extended. His first CID episode as a cop was The Case of the Stolen Dynamite. Meanwhile, he also did many films. He played Margi, a Basit in Anurag Kashyap's Punch, which was shot in 2001 and was never released but got his approval as an actor by the film Fraternity when Punch was shown as the closing him in Ocean's Cinefan Festival of Asian and Arab Cinema in 2005. He was offered to play the male lead in Hansal Mehta Dil Pe Mat Le Yaan, but the role was later given to Manoj Bajpayee, leaving him to play another important character in the same movie named Tito. A Dubai returned entrepreneur, he even provided finance for making of this movie, his first film, playing the single male protagonist. Dil Se Pooch Kidhar Jana Hai fetched him appreciation by critics for his performance, though it was a commercial failure as the production house decided to release it since promotion. He played the lead role in the film Kalo. He suffered a shoulder injury in a bus accident during the shooting of Kalo. Internationally, he is known for his work in films like Dil Se Mohandas, Danish, Satya, Matru Bhumi, Black Friday, and Gulal, all of which ran successfully across the international film festival circuit and had him as critically acclaimed parallel lead. He did many other films and made his presence known in each one of them. Acclaimed by critics, he prefers non-conventional cinema as it brings depth to his acting, as said by him in an interview. He is named in the Guinness Book of World Record for shooting the longest uncut sequence in the episode The Inheritance of CID. A song was recorded for CID episode aired on 21st January 2012, which was a lullaby sung by Aditya Srivastav and his fellow actors Shivaj Satam and Anand Shetty. Aditya Srivastava, Shivaj Sitam, Dayan Shetty, and Narendra Gupta also appeared in Kaun Banega Crorepati 2014 to raise money for charity. After a hiatus owing to his tight schedule in the television industry, he is back to the big screen. In 2024, he portrayed Bansi Sahu in the crime thriller Bakshak. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।